today.
No, another video.
Another video, and then we are going to do a house
Tour.
tour. A house tour. If you don't know what a house tour is, if you're doing a house tour in a channel, you need to show everything that's in your house. And we are going to get. So make sure to like, say something down below, save our video, and subscribe. Okay, let's get in this channel, right?
Yeah.
Peace.
Okay. No, not peace. We're not. Okay.
Okay,
So first we're
we
gonna
have
show
this
you-
area
Yeah.
that has like a lot of toys. Like, we also have soccer ball here, and we also have a mailbox that has a key up there that can open this. And there's a mail on top of there. And this is a closet that we put everything in here. And this is the bathroom that has that and that. And garbage can there. And here's this walkway that you go upstairs on. And this is all the things that when you come down, you can hold on this if you want. You can still hold on that. This is
Right, speak loud.
so with this, yeah, so this is the ceiling. And we have a carpet and this table. There it is. The carpet.
Okay, you put it back.
And then there's a table there. And we also have windows here. And this, that, and a bag for our baby.
Yeah. He's sleeping right there.
And this is a frame.
This is our little sister's birthday. She's right over there.
A little frame. And what else? This is the kitchen. There's a big thing that we put plates and cups.
You need 4
These can
by
also open that.
That's it
This
for a
is
house.
a bunch of stuff there. And this can open. And we also have a pantry. We have a pantry. Oh yeah, a pantry. And we put another snacks in here. Yeah. And we also have a big green pumpkin.
I don't know. I don't know.
For
I'm not
Halloween?
sure of that.
And we
Okay.
also have this fridge that has a freezer and none.
Okay.
So
Now show them these 2 magical rooms. I
okay.
mean, they're not rooms.
The first one is the garage. It has a lot of stuff with full empty bottles and this thing's huge. And if you
I like to go on that.
and if you want to get down, you can jump from here or you can just do that. We also have chairs. We also have this thing that we put stuff. We also have this where we put more stuff. This is where we cook chicken
Okay, done.
and more